Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start today's session, let me quickly explain what you're seeing on the screen right now. This is our exclusive free hands-on coding workshop happening every Friday at 6:30 p.m. The previous week workshop was a brand success. Thank you all for joining, and we can have more sessions. This is not a theory session. This is pure hands-on coding where we build real charts live, understand trends and learn how data actually tells stories. You'll also get live Q&A so you can ask doubts directly. The meeting link is in the description box and pinned comment as well, so don't miss it. So alright, if this is done, let us jump straight into today's learning. Today is going to be a mini project, a monthly sales data visualization project using Python and Matplotlib. So, today we are learning how to transform raw sales data into meaningful insights using Python. So this mini project is called Monthly Sales Data Visualization Project. Numbers alone don't help. Visualization helps us understand trends, patterns and business decisions clearly. So here we will transform raw sales data into meaningful insights. Why visualize sales data? Raw sales new numbers hide critical trends. Visualization helps us identify monthly growth, seasonal patterns, product performance. Python makes this process repeatable, automated, and powerful. This is why we need to visualize the sales data. So, what is the tech stack that we are going to follow here? We will use Python, that is the core language, Pandas for handling and analyzing the data, NumPy for numerical calculations, and Matplotlib finally for creating beautiful charts. This stack is industry standard and beginner friendly as well. So this is going to be a wonderful introduction as a tech stack to the data analysis world. Line chart is going to be used for monthly sales trend. Line charts help us see how sales change over time. With one glance, we can spot growth, decline, or seasonal spikes as well. The given figure here attached shows a line chart for the monthly sales trend. As you can see, we have data points being connected over lines, and that is why the name says it's a line chart. We have data on x-axis and data on y-axis as well. So this is line chart. Next is bar chart used for product comparison. Bar charts help compare product-wise sales. This helps businesses instantly identify the top selling products as well as the underperforming products. So which is why bar chart is very essential to compare product-wise sales. Pie chart is going to be used for sales contribution. Pie charts show percentage contribution of each product. This helps understand the revenue concentration and the portfolio balance. The given figure here shows the pie chart. So as we can clearly see, it shows the percentage contributions for each pie, or what we can say for each product. So in this way, we can have a bird's view of the total data analysis through pie chart. So as you can see, the parts of the whole completed. Histogram is used for sales distribution. Histograms show how frequently sales values occur. They help identify common sales ranges as well as unusual values or outliers. As you can clearly see, the given attached figure here shows the histogram diagram where we have vertical bars as representing our data. So these are histograms showing the sales values. So you can have a look at the figure. Next is box plot, which is used for sales spread. Box plots summarize the data using median, quartiles, and outliers. They are excellent for comparing the variability across months. So, as you can clearly see, the given attached figure here shows the box plot with data being again vertically represented through which we can identify. Next, we have some best practices. So, always remember to clean your data first and then use clear titles and labels, and also choose the right chart for the story, and remember to highlight the key insights. That is very important. Next, data visualization helps drive data driven decisions. Now, let's stop talking and start coding live, building these charts step by step. So, here we dive right into coding. So, please open your Google Colab or VS Code and start coding with me. So, opening, we have our step 1, that is going to be import libraries. First, we import pandas for data handling, NumPy for calculations, and Matplotlib for visualization. These three libraries are enough for most beginner data analysis projects. So let us click on the play button to run this cell. Okay, the green tick shows successfully executed. Next up, step 2 is going to be create sample data set. Instead of using a CSV file, we are creating a simple data set inside the code itself. This keeps the project beginner friendly and easy to understand as well. As you can clearly see, we have 4 datas here of months, sales, products, and product sales. So these 4 are the data we are considering to complete our sample data set. So that is successfully executed. Next, let us move on to the third step, line chart, which is used for monthly sales trend. This line chart shows how sales change month by month. Markers help us clearly see each data point, and grid lines improve the readability. So this is the marker we are using here, that is the circular shaped marker, and then followed by we also have the grid. So grid, we are assigning it to true, we are notifying it as true. So these grid lines is going to improve the readability. So here this is the line chart, obtained line chart. As you can clearly see, this figure or this chart shows sales amount which is taken on the y axis and months which is taken on the x axis, and we also have the markers being represented in the form of circular small mini figures, and then we also have indicated grid as true. Henceforth we have the grid inside the chart. So this is the monthly sales trend chart. Through this we can analyze the data. Next step is going to be bar chart for product sales comparison. Bar charts are perfect for comparison. Here we immediately know which product is performing better than the others. So here we are using products as the data and product sales as another data. So for both the axis we have products and product sales picked. So title we are assigning as product wise sales, and this is the obtained chart for bar chart. So as you can clearly see, this is the bar chart. Product sales is being represented on the y axis, that is the sales amount, and products is being represented on the x-axis as products, and then we have the title given product wise sales, so that is neatly represented here as bar chart. So this is how you do bar chart. Next step, we have pie chart for sales contribution. Pie charts show percentage contribution. This helps businesses understand the revenue dependency on the products in the form of percentage. So we have product sales being considered as the data, and then to label the products or the pies we will be considering the products naming, and then title also we are given as sales contribution by product. So this is the obtained pie chart, as you can clearly see. So the parts of the circle make it a whole. So these are three different products which is being represented in the form of percentages. So labeling, we have taken A, B, C, which is the name of the products. A is a product name, B is a product name, and C is also a product name. So the title is sales contribution by product. So the same is being designated there. So these parts of the data, or let's say these products, make a whole. Next step is histogram, which is being used for sales distribution. Histograms help us understand how sales values are distributed and if there are also any outliers. So let us click the play button to have a look at the histogram. But here we are taking sales as the data, and bins, the total number of bins is 5, and the title is sales distribution. So here is the obtained chart for that given code snippet of histogram. So as you can clearly see, the data is being represented as sales and the total number of bins were 5, which is why we have 5 bins here. And then the sales distribution was the title, so we have the sales distribution title as well, and sales amount on x-axis, which is what we actually considered, and y label is going to be frequency with title as sales distribution. So this is the obtained histogram chart. Obtained histogram chart. Next up, we have box plot, which is used for sales spread. Okay, so this box plots summarize the data using median and quartiles. This is very useful for detecting variability and unusual values. Okay, so this box plot is being the most important. We are considering sales data to represent the box plot with sales spread as the title of the box plot. So let us click the play button to view the box plot. So this is it. As I mentioned earlier, this is very useful for detecting variability. We are considering sales as the data here, which is why it is taken as markings on y-axis, and then we have sales spread as the title which was being considered, and this is the obtained box plot diagram. So this is very useful for detecting unusual values. This is how we summarize box plot. So congratulations, you've just completed a complete data visualization mini project using Python and Matplotlib. If you understood this, you are officially on your journey into data analysis and data science. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop your doubts in the comments and I'll see you in the next session. Happy coding. But before I stop the video, again I would like to remind you of the workshop that we are going to have. So mark your calendars every Friday at 6:30 p.m. we will have a free, completely sponsored by Corporate Connection, exclusive hands-on coding workshop with live Q&A. So meeting link will be in the description box and pinned comment. Don't miss it. Every Friday 6:30 p.m. The last session was a wonderful session. All of you joined. Please join again. Subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe.